On today's first look, we have a 1970 Mercury Cyclone Spoiler SCJ. This is lot number 980. This one-owner time capsule 1970 Cyclone is powered by the matching number C code 429 Super Cobra Jet V8 paired to a Toploader 4-speed. Transmission is backed by the W code Super Drag Pak 430 locking rear axle. The car was ordered by a technician employee and delivered through Andrews Ford of Rockwell, Texas. This was not a program car. It retains the original window sticker, still mounted on the rear quarter glass. It still has the dealer plastic on all the seats. The original Ford cardboard delivery floor mat covers from when it was first delivered. It was ordered with the optional special order black paint. Black was not an available factory color. It is in unrestored condition and lived in the same garage for the last 50 years and has not been out since 1975. In 1970, a total of 341 Cyclone spoilers were built with the Super Cobra Jet engine and a 4-speed transmission. Of those, 31 were painted in special order colors, and only 19 were finished with the specific interior trim codes this car has. This garage-kept car has been covered under blankets and maintained in running condition since new. Original documents and the artifacts accompany the sale. Shortly after delivery, the owner made some period-correct modifications, as we call them, Day 2. These include the addition of the Goodyear Arriva tires used on Panteras, mounted to the American Racing 200S wheels, a Holley 1150 CFM carburetor, and a Shelby aluminum intake manifold. A full set of sun gauges mounted on the dash, and Craig-powered 50-watt stereo amplifier to support the 8-track media playback with 2 8-tracks included. This one-owner car has never been driven in the rain. It retains many factory original components. This vehicle was professionally refinished in 1971 following an overzealous buffing incident that damaged the original paint. A Marty report is included with the sale. It has driven just 4,459 miles since new, so it was put away 50 years ago, has all of its dealer prep still on it. Very rare color combination with the trim. Selling at no reserve at our 2025 Scottsdale Fall Auction, October 15th through the 18th at WestWorld of Scottsdale.